In this lesson, we'll cover adding joist extensions. So let's zoom into the lower left side of our model. Here we have a few beaming systems, and I can mouse over one and I see basically it's defined by the dashed lines. We have another one here defined by the other dashed lines. But let's say within this system on the right and the left, we need to extend one of these into the other because maybe we need extra support in that area. Well, you could add a beam or we could extend one of these. Technically, these are all beams, but in reality, they would be classified as a joist going between a major beam. So to extend one, simply click on it. But when you do, you don't see the drag handles on either end. That's because they're pinned. And you see a pin right in the middle. If you select the pin will unlock the actual joist, or in this case beam, showing the drag handles on either end. Then you can move your mouse over the drag handle, simply drag it into one of the other beams. You'll see the other beam center line highlight, and then release your mouse. Once you do, the joist now has an extension. Then I can repin it by clicking the pin again. Click in the background to deselect. I can do the same thing to another one. Select it, unpin. I can zoom in, select the drag handle, drag it to its new position, or in this case, the center line of this other beam, release, and now the joist has an extension, or is extended. And again, click the pin to lock the joist back in place. So as a review, in this lesson, we looked at adding joist extensions. We looked at joists, or beams, that belong to a beaming system. Depending on their design, they would be classified as a joist. Because it's part of a beaming system, it's locked or pinned. So we selected the beam or joist, unpinned it, therefore we could see the drag handles on either end, and then we simply move the drag handle to extend the joist or create an extension to another beam. Once we were done, we repinned it, and now we have a joist extension.